No matter the size of your vehicle, the Garage Parking Aid can help you prevent scratching your vehicle's beautiful paint job. If you have a 2 or 3 car garage, the space available to you will stay the same no matter the size of your vehicle. This is where having some sort of parking aid becomes invaluable. There are many products available to choose garage parking aids, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage parking aids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Best Mid-Range Garage Parking Aid. Maxa Innovations offers us this next garage parking aid. The ParkRite model we are looking at is made for 2-car garages. Setting this low-profile parking aid up is easy, thanks to the included mounting hardware. You can either use double-sided tape or the included screws to attach it to the interior of your garage. See more. Top 7 Best Weight Distribution Hitches to Purchase in 2022. Review Top 5 Best Hook Bed Bike Racks in 2022. RAVIAW Top 6 Best Penetrating Oil in 2022. Review and buying to power the ParkRite. You will need to have an outlet nearby. This does make it a better trickier finding the right mounting spot without using an extension cord. We found that mounting it on the ceiling next to your garage door opener works well. You could also place it on the wall you face when you pull into your garage. Lasers. This parking aid has a dual laser setup. When you pull into your garage, you need to remember a predetermined spot on your car that when the laser hits you notice stop. The lasers can be adjusted easily in almost any direction. This parking aid also incorporates a 10-foot motion sensor that automatically powers it on. While the laser module is perfect for a 2-car garage, you also use it in a 1-car garage just as easily. This automatically powers on thanks to a motion sensor. Dual lasers can work in 1 or 2-car garages. Easy to mount. Cons: power adapter cable could be longer. Number 2. Best Budget Garage Parking Aid. Camco's AquaPark is the cheapest offering in this Best Garage Parking Aid roundup. The AquaPark is another curb-style parking aid. It is made from very durable polypropylene. Along the edges, you will find ribs that aid in preventing warping over time. Like other parking blocks, you simply need to place this in position, and you are ready to go. But there's a catch: this curb top stop measures just a tad over 18 inches long. It is only 1 1/3 inches tall as well. You will definitely want to take it extra slow as to not drive over these. On the bottom of the curb, you will find pre-installed adhesive to attach it to your garage floor. While it is long enough to stop one tire, it definitely won't reach the other side of the vehicle. You will most likely find yourself buying more than one of these. This shouldn't be too much of a concern because of their low price point. Was priced very attractively. They are made from UV stabilized polypropylene. Cons: dimensions of them make it so you will want 2 but more than 1. Number 3. Best Heavy Duty Garage Parking Aid. Parking Targets HD24 is another speed hump type aid. It measures 2 feet long and just over an inch tall. The HD24 is constructed out of heavy-duty commercial plastic. It can withstand the weight of an RV or even a fire truck. Located on the bottom side of the parking aid is a simple peel and stick adhesive. This adhesive holds reasonably well on concrete. We also tried it on an epoxy floor as well, and had mixed results. Most of the time, it held fine, but occasionally it would slip. If you were to move these after they have been set in position, you would want to replace the adhesive. His and Hers included in the packing with this speed bump, you will find a set of His and Hers diesels. These stickers allow you to assign parking spaces accordingly. We thought they added a bit of fun to the idea of a speed bump, but that's about it. According to Parking Target, you only need 1 stop block per vehicle. Well, that works fine. We also tested these by setting them up between the front and back of the tire as well. We found that with the low height of these parking blocks, you can quickly run over it. If you decide to purchase additional units, you might find it more reassuring as you pull in your garage. Pros: can handle the weight of large vehicles. Measures 2 feet long. Diesels provided for assigned parking. Cons: for a stop block, they are a bit expensive. Number 4. Tkach Enterprises Park Ranger. Amazingly simple garage parking aid assistant. Tkach Enterprises Park Ranger is another easy-to-install parking aid. It consists of a square-shaped open-ended box with red lines on it. It mounts flush to the wall, sort of like a picture would. You can also place it on a shelf with double-sided tape if you so choose. When you pull your car into your garage, the red lines on the Park Ranger become one straight line when you are parked correctly. It sounds simple enough, but this is where we notice a bit of a problem. Accuracy with your vehicle in the garage. You will need to sit in the vehicle's driver's seat before mounting the Park Ranger. You will then want to have a friend position it for you so you can only see one solid red line. The accuracy of this parking can vary based on your sitting position. It will not be 100% accurate every time. This parking aid is meant to be used with the same car and driver every time for the best results. If you try to use this with a different vehicle after it's set up, it won't work correctly. Process at a low price point. You can mount it in various locations. Accuracy can vary quickly. Number 5. Maxa 37340 Park Perfect Light Up LED Parking Bulb. The last parking aid we are going to look at is another option from Maxa Innovations. This simple light up bulb hangs from your ceiling. It comes with 8 feet of line, allowing it to be set up with vehicles of all sizes. Powering the Park Perfect parking bulb are 3 batteries. Once you set up this tennis ball looking parking aid, you simply drive into it. When your windshield makes contact with it, the bulb will light up, notifying you to stop. Durability. This LED parking bulb is made from hard plastic. We noticed that the bulb would occasionally not light up after you make contact with it. You will have to jar it pretty good for the internal sensors to turn on the light. The bulb doesn't stay lit very long, either. We set this up so it would make contact with our windshield. The reasonable price point makes this a simple light up bulb a good value, even if it only lights up occasionally. Pros comes with 8 feet of rope. The hard plastic bulb doesn't damage your windshield. Batteries are included. Contact is needed for the light to turn on. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.